make the celery stew marinade
With
Persian lime, celery, parsley, mint, and turmeric.
all right, onions.
Onions. This recipe is a traditional Iranian recipe.
What is the celery called again, the dish? I'll never pronounce it, but what?
It's called khoresht karaf, but I grew up in a vegetarian home, so my mother would make the stew for Shabbat, but I hated it because it was like it was just like a celery stew. And I was like, God, how do I take this thing that I don't like and turn it into something that I do like?
Interesting.
Okay, celery. Nancy, do you have a peeler,
Yeah.
please?
There you go.
Thank you.
And you want a bowl for these?
Yeah, I have one bowl right here.
Okay. This dish, I just loved it. It was such a surprise. I've never had anything that tasted like it. What is the seasoning in that?
This dish is actually inspired by loving the celery burrata dish you have on the menu at the Mozzarella Bar.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, because like I never thought celery could be cool until like I saw you make it, honestly. All right, I'm gonna rinse these off. Nance, do you have a colander?
I do.
Oh,
Not a very big one.
it's perfect. It'll do the
So what is
job.
the seasoning that goes in there?
Some onion, which I'm gonna need to dice that.
Okay.